Hi, I'm April with WTI.
I absolutely love this dry shampoo. This is Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Orange Mango Scent with bodybuilding. I like to use this dry shampoo if I need to eliminate oil from my scalp or if I want to add volume to a hairstyle. I simply part it in several areas, as you can see here, keeping the can 8 to 12 inches away from my scalp. I'm simply giving it a light dusting so I can cover all the area that I need, whether I want to have my hair up or down, or know that it's fully covered. The orange mango scent is refreshing, yet not too overpowering. I also like the consistency, and the way it sprays out of the can is really nice, which helps me feel like I'm getting good coverage. After I've applied, I simply massage my scalp so that I get it all worked in, just as I would if I was in the shower. Then I part and style my hair as I normally would. I would definitely recommend this dry shampoo to anyone.
But that's just my point of view.